I'm Danny Marlin and I'm the Head of Research at Sustainable Seas Trust. So some of the issues we face in Africa is that we don't know how much litter there is and what type of litter we have. There are a lot of data out there, but it's inferred from population statistics and what has been found in other countries of the world, nothing for Africa in particular. This is really why research that SST is doing is important, because we are trying to establish baselines of the amounts of litter, the types of litter, where it's coming from, and where we should be concentrating our efforts. One of our successful projects is done with the Western Indian Ocean Marine Science Association, where we have researchers in 7 countries monitoring litter on beaches, in mangroves, and we will eventually move on to streets. All the researchers are following the same methods so that the data can be compared between countries. Another project we are looking at is microplastics in organisms. So we are looking at the chemicals that are released by microplastics that organisms may be affected by, because when we eat marine organisms, it obviously moves up the food chain and it will, in the long run, we think, hasn't been confirmed, harm human health. This is obviously important in Africa because none of this work has ever been done in Africa. So it is a project that we are going to start here in Algoa Bay, and it will eventually move out to our other African partners. In order to monitor litter, we are also using drones to map out certain areas of Nelson Mandela Bay municipality to see whether litter loads are changing over time. So for now, we have selected 5 areas in the area that we have flown a drone over. We have mapped the litter, quantified it. In 4 months' time, we will go back to those same sites, repeat the exercise, and see if there have been any changes. If there is a change to say that litter has been decreasing, we know that all our efforts for education and awareness have paid off, because now the litter is actually going down. As part of our remote sensing project, our GIS analyst is putting points on a map that show facilities, research facilities, universities, any stakeholder really that is involved with monitoring waste, trying to facilitate waste management. And we are putting these people on the map to create a network so that we can share resources and share knowledge. This will hopefully spread into all of Africa. Currently, we only have a few points, but mostly those are in South Africa. Another map that is being developed is so far only for Nelson Mandela Bay municipality, where we are putting down waste collection places, recycling factories in Nelson Mandela Bay, so that users can go online and see what is closest to them where they can take their recycled waste.